Guys, I was stuck in like the most awful traffic
I know.
for about an hour and 45 minutes, but I finally arrived
چقدر ازت گرفت؟
for my lunch. Well, actually, I should say, I'm with my friend, but she won't let me film her. I got the Iranian version of Uber, which is called Snap. So you order it just like an Uber. It's quite new here. It's the first time I've used it. And they only got 9,000 toman.
9,000.
I think it's good. It's literally like half the price of a normal taxi here.
Even a third of the price?
Even said. Anyway, we've come to this really nice, like traditional restaurant which serves food from the north of Iran. I'm just gonna turn the camera around so you can see the restaurant. We have some Chinese restaurateurs with us. It's a very traditional place, but the food is really, really good here. Is it not? Ferishta's hands.
No, it is. It's good.
Ferishta's hands agree. What are we gonna get? So we ordered some starters.
For starters, it was, what was that?
We got a mixed starters.
Yeah, it was a mix.
Like Chaharshanbe is like a smoked aubergine with tomatoes.
With tomato and
Borani is like a spinach and yogurt.
spinach and yogurt, and this is spinach. No, it is again smoked.
And more smoked,
Aubergine
lots of aubergine. And a good old Sprite. You started eating before I could take a video.
I'm hungry.
And what is this, like a garlic bread?
It's bread.
This is obviously not a traditional northern Iranian dish, but this is it. This is the
the usual
Chaharshanbe.
one.
This is the Borani.
Spinach.
Borani, I think.
Yeah.
Because you know that there's a Pakistani Indian dish called Biryani.
That's
rice.
That's
not the same thing.
biryani.
And this was another version of
smoked aubergine.
Aubergine, smoked aubergine in a white
And yogurt.
Okay, let's eat. We forgot to film our actual food, but as you can see, it was very yummy. I had some fish with, well, we were supposed to have like the green rice. What is it? Rice with
Herbs.
with herbs, I suppose, but they didn't have it, so we had plain rice. It was very yummy. No guys, it's not a riot, it's fireworks now. It's rather noisy. So guys, it's the Wednesday before the Iranian New Year and it's our equivalent of Bonfire night, which means everybody comes out. This is our version of a block party and they light these bonfires and you're supposed to jump over them to wish you good luck for the new year, and there's fireworks and yeah, dancing, music, everyone gets together. Got someone lighting a lantern here. What? Wrong way. This might be an epic fail. He's really trying. Oh my god, no, it's coming down again. It's coming down again. We have sort of lift off. I have to say there's very little health and safety going on here at the moment. In fact, I think I'm going to take 2 steps back. Yeah, I should have taken 2 more steps back. know, this corner is all the teenage boys, and so they keep doing more. They're doing more crazy things. You can't really see it that well, but that is the moon. Looks beautiful in real life, but never really captured on film properly, is it? Not on your iPhone anyway. The wuss in me has found a fire big enough for me to jump over. So I'm going to jump over this one. Can you see how big it is? My kite's still quite long, you know, Mum. Should I go? I'm still scared. All right, let's go. There we go.
Okay.
How do we translate what you say?
سردی من از تو
Okay.
سرخی تو از من.
But how would we translate?
My yellowness be yours and your redness be mine.
من از تو به خاطر اینه که زردی نشان دهنده رنجوری و بیماریه. وقتی میگن از تو و سرخی تو که نشانی شادابیه.
So this lady is saying that there should be 7 fires, and she's explaining what we say when we jump over the fire. We're saying to the fire, may my yellowness be yours, and yellowness signifies illness, anything negative, and it's saying may your redness, so all the positive energy from the fire, come back to me. So that's what we say. Thank you.